The 2015 Audi TT 2.0 TDI Ultra. What happens when you combine rally heritage, diesel racing technology and a small sports car? If you ask Audi, it will tell you that sounds the perfect recipe for the new 2015 Audi TT 2.0 TDI Ultra. Yes, I know it's an obnoxiously long name, but there is a lot of important information in there. First off, the 2015 Audi TT portion lets us know that this is based on the latest and greatest version of Audi's venerable coupe, the TT. The 2.0 TDI tells us it uses the latest Volkswagen family, common rail, turbo diesel engine. The Ultra is the most important part though. Audi has reserved that term for new versions of its cars that are ultra-efficient while still retaining the fun and excitement that the brand is known for. Considering this little rocket will hit 60 miles per hour in less than 7 seconds, reach a top speed of 150 miles per hour and still manage more than 50 mpg, I think Audi has succeeded in its mission. Is this new TT the Ultra choice for frugal fun? Read on to find out more and decide for yourself. Continue reading to learn more about the 2015 Audi TT 2.0 TDI Ultra. Audi TT 2.0 TDI Ultra in detail. Despite the incredible fuel economy promises of this machine, it is no slouch in the performance category. The new 2.0-liter diesel engine is good for 130 kilowatts of power and 380 Newton-meters of torque. For those of you in the States, those numbers come out to 184 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of twist. That is a lot in a car this small. It should have similar performance to the new Mk7 GTI as a comparison. Oh yeah, it comes with a 6-speed manual transmission as well. The only real performance hit for this car is the lack of Quattro AWD. AWD systems add extra weight and drag, so they are fuel economy no-nos. Still, Audi has proven that it can make competent FWD machines, and the TT Ultra should be no different. The Ultra badge for fuel economy does seem quite appropriate as well. The actual consumption figures for this car are 4.2 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, which works out to be around 56 mpg. Visually there is very little that will separate the Ultra TT from other models aside from a few small badging changes and what is most likely a more fuel-efficient set of rubber on the wheels. Overall, it is hard to find fault with the package that Audi is offering here. If you want something fun and frugal like the Golf GTD, but you want a car that is a little sportier and has a bit more style, the TT Ultra looks to be the best choice right now. Audi TT.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.